Sonny was Painter of the Year for one of the biker magazines, but that was phenomenal. But he would do all these murals on a lot of cars all over the country. And hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Just got this from the FedEx guy on a Sunday. Cool, huh? Got them overnight from Mattel, and I'm going to open them up and see what is in here. No idea. Got tape on me, and it says that it is 94.6J. So let's see. Oh, cool! Look at that. It is the Masters of the Universe. And this one is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U 1300L. And, well, there are 5 vehicles in this set. And they are all trucks, basically. And it says that there is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog, the 70s van, the Breadbox, Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus, and the 55 Chevy Panel. All right, so this is the Unimog. As I said, it's done in a lavender metallic. The box on the back has He-Man on the back there, and on the back, it's even on the back, it says Masters of the Universe. Interior looks to be black, and the windows are very, very dark tinted. The tires are Real Riders, and the wheels, I have no idea what they call these wheels, but has a metal base on it, and the center section is black plastic also. I bet you it goes with the black plastic box on the back. The front grille is black plastic. That's done up really nice. Got the Mercedes-Benz logo in it. And like I said, the base is metal. It's a metal base. And there you go. There is the Masters of the Universe, number 1. We've got 2 of those. No, actually we got 3 of those. So I guess we'll go be giving some of these away to whoever shows up at the house. Number 2. Well, that's cool. They're all in order. Well, so far. Number 2 is the 70s van. And that is done in a kind of like a light lime green enamel. Got, well, what's his name there? Skeletor on the side of it. Got a, looks like an orange interior. Has a dark tinted window. The base is a blue tint metal base on it. Real Riders on it with, look like Western wheels on it. And got Master of the Universe on the back. Got taillights done up. That's pretty cool looking van. We did some of these vans past couple episodes there. Always love these vans, man. They are so cool. All right, so that's number 2. And oh, there you go. We got 3 of the number 2s. Next one up is number 3, the Breadbox. And that has got, you know, I got to tell you, Masters of the Universe was kind of like after I was already grown up. So I really don't know any of these characters, basically, just from, you know, my kids. I don't know. I don't think that is She-Ra on there. I know that there was a She-Ra, but I don't think that was her. So I'm going to guess that that is Teela on there. And actually Teela, and it could be because the Breadbox is done in teal. Now, I don't know if they did that on purpose, or maybe I'm just full of baloney, but there it is. It is in teal, and It has a metal interior, looks like gray plastic dashboard and steering wheel. Windows are tinted really dark. Has a blue tint metal base on it. Headlights are painted and tail lights are painted. Got Masters of the Universe on the back. Has wheel riders. Boy, those are really nice. Those are look like rocket wheels with very thin rubber tires on it. And like I said, it looks like Teela on the side of the Breadbox. There's number 3. Number 4. I'm going to guess that is Beastman. And that is on the Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus. And that is done in a nice candy apple blue, really, really deep candy apple blue on that. Has a nice mural on the side. You know, back in the 70s and 80s when I was doing a lot of work with Mike DePalma, one of the customizers around here, and Sonny DePalma. You guys might know him. Sonny was Painter of the Year for one of the biker magazines, but guy was phenomenal. But he would do all these murals on a lot of cars all over the country. And when I worked with his brother Mike, I would do some of the paint work, some of the body work. None of this stuff. No, just the basic, put the color on, and then they would do that stuff. But yeah, there's even some pictures of me out there chopping the top on an old sedan with working with Mike. But that's a story for another time. So yeah, a lot of the vans and stuff back in the day had all these cool murals on them, and Sonny DePalma did a lot of them. This is got looks like a black interior, maybe. Really can't see it that well. It's got a dark windows on it. It says Masters of the Universe on the back. Tail lights are done. Headlights are done. The directional lights are done. It has the big old VW logo in the middle of the nose. It has a blue tint metal base on it, and the wheels look like steel slots. And of course, they are Real Rider rubber tires on there. Looks good. We got 2 of those. And the last ones in the set of 5 is, Evil Lynn. I think that might be Evil Lynn on there. Like I said, not much of a Master of the Universe guy. Like I said, they came out after I was already grown. So really never watched much of it. So, but this is the number 5 in the series. It is the 55 Chevy Panel, and it is done in a very dark maroon. Has Evil Lynn on the side there, if that's her, and it has Master of the Universe on the tail, along with tail lights. The base is blue tint metal, and the grille is same part of the base. Headlights are done. The directional lights are done. Interior is going to say black. It's really dark in there, and dark tinted windows. The wheels are, man, I don't know what those are. They look like early AC Cobra wheels, but they're not. I really don't know the style. I'm gonna have to look that up. If you guys know what kind of wheels those are, put in the comments. You guys always help me out there, so really appreciate it. Definitely help. So there you go. And there is all 5 of the Masters of the Universe. If you get yourself a case, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them in that little case, and there are 2 complete sets, and you get 1 extra of the van and of the Unimog. So thanks again to Mattel for sending these out to us so we can show them to you, and really appreciate it. So again, appreciate you guys for stopping in and watching Hot Wheels TV. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Click that little bell. And please, of course, be kind to one another. Hey, the numbers are going down here where we live. I hope they're going down where you are. And hopefully everything will get back to normal, and we can get out there hunting for Hot Wheels and see each other, shake hands, how you doing, and see each other at all of the events. All right, So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.